Are you frustrated with the high cost per click on your Google Ads? Spending too much on clicks without seeing the desired results can be very challenging. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you lower your CPCs and get the most out of your ad budget. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. I upload similar videos like this one regularly, so please do subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified instantly when I upload more videos like this one. So let's get started. Step 1. Improve your quality score. Google uses quality score to determine how relevant and useful your ads and landing pages are to the user. Higher quality scores lead to lower CPCs. Focus on creating high quality, relevant ads and ensuring your landing pages provide a great user experience. Step 2. Use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more specific and often less competitive than short-tail keywords. They not only reduce your CPCs, but also attract more targeted traffic. For example, instead of shoes, try affordable running shoes for women. Step 3. Focus on ad relevance. Make sure your ads closely match the keywords you're targeting and the user's search intent. The more relevant your ads are, the higher your quality score will be, leading to lower CPCs. Step 4. Optimize your bidding strategy. Use bidding strategies that align with your campaign goals. For instance, consider using automated bidding options like maximise clicks or target CPA to help control costs. Also set bid adjustments for different times of the day or locations where your ads perform best. Step 5. Use negative keywords. Negative keywords prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches, saving you money on clicks that won't convert. Regularly review your search terms report and add negative keywords to filter out unwanted traffic. Step 6. Test ad variations. Continuously A/B test different ad copies to see which ones perform best. Small changes in your headlines or descriptions can make big difference in your ad performance and CPCs. By following these steps, you can lower your CPCs and get more value from your Google Ads campaigns. Remember, to improve your quality score, use long-tail keywords, focus on ad relevance, optimize your bidding strategy, use negative keywords, and test ad variations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on Google Ads.